In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the Enviro-Log, and this log right here, they got burns up to 3 hours. It's made from 100% recycled wax cardboard, 80% less carbon monoxide, low creosote product, meaning like soot or something like that that comes off of wood, 50% more heat content, 30% less particular emissions, lights fast and easy, no melting, dripping, and sparking. So this thing isn't like your particular burn log that has like oils and things like that in there. So what they have you do, they want you to tear the seam right here, and then you basically just light it right here. It's fireplace, wood stoves, chimneys, outdoor fire pits, which is what I have right here. And by the way, I have one going, and I will show you guys that here in a minute. Great for tailgating, great for camping, keep case in garage, emergency heat and power. You can even use these in your flower beds or something like that, and you can always use it to enhance a fire. And that's basically what I got these for. I'll show you guys with one's burning right here. So it's wintertime here, and I've got a lot of wet wood that doesn't burn real well, and you see what I've got going right there? There is one of the fire logs in the middle, and look at the only thing really burning. Now this has been burning for about maybe an hour, and look at how much is still left with this thing, and you can see how it burns. It's basically a top of cardboard, compressed cardboard with wax in it. So it's like there's no real odor. The odor I'm getting is off my logs there, and there's some good heat coming off of that. I think this is a great option for anyone with an outdoor fire pit like I have right here, or if you want to do like camping or in your fireplace or something like that, maybe even cooking some outdoor dinners or something, which I'm going to be doing this summer. That's for sure. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Enviro-Log burn stick, 3-hour burn stick. See y'all in the next video.